In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find car insurance agents near me. If you want to speak with a local insurance agent instead of handling everything on your own online, this is a simple way to do it. We'll be using Progressive's agent search page to look for nearby car insurance agents in your area. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Progressive Agent website. Once the page loads, look for the Agent Locator section. This is the tool that helps you search for agents based on the type of insurance you need and your location. When you're on the Agent Locator, the next thing you'll do is choose the product type. Since this video is about car insurance, select auto as the product. This makes sure the results are focused on agents who can help with auto insurance rather than other types of coverage. After that, enter your zip code in the location field. This step is important because it allows the website to find agents close to where you live or where you want coverage. Make sure you type the zip code carefully so the search results are accurate. Once you've added your zip code and selected auto, click the Find an Agent button. The site will then process your search and show available insurance agents near that location. After the results load, you'll see the nearby agent listings appear on the page. This gives you a local view of agents who may be able to help you compare coverage options, answer questions, and guide you through the process of getting insured. Depending on the area, you may see multiple results, so it can be helpful to review a few different agents before deciding who to contact. It's also useful to know that these agents offer insurance on behalf of Progressive and other insurers. In other words, they may be able to discuss more than one option with you. They are paid commissions by Progressive, and by law, they may not charge you extra fees for helping you with your insurance purchase. That can give you a little more confidence when reaching out, especially if you prefer personalized help. As a quick tip, before contacting an agent, it's a good idea to have basic information ready, such as your vehicle details and the type of coverage you're looking for. That can help make the conversation smoother and more productive. And that's it. That's how to find car insurance agents near you using the Progressive Agent Locator.